If your immigrant ex-spouse has racked up a bunch of debt and you're worried that you're going to be held responsible, then you need to watch this video. Hi, I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years and specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I do help individuals and families from any state in the country and really any country on the planet. So I want you to stick around for just a few minutes because I want you to know some of the risks of being an immigrant sponsor. So stand by, okay? So whether it's intentionally used to harm you as the spouse or just to defraud the U.S. taxpayer, it is not unheard of for an immigrant to sign up for a bunch of credit cards or buy cars or crazy things like that and either file for bankruptcy or just fade away and never pay, okay? The question you need to know is whether the law is going to come looking for you to settle those debts, okay? The answer to this could be different depending on the state where you live, okay? State law is different, and state law handles most of the issues when it comes to debt-related things, okay? Most of the time, the answer is yes. I hate to break it to you. Most of the time, you are going to be responsible for a part or the complete bill, okay? Now, this is where I speak of the different state law. It depends on whether this was addressed in your divorce. If you're still married, you're on the hook, okay? If you're divorced, it depends on what your state allows you to segregate yourself from during the divorce, okay? So you gotta look at your divorce and see what it says, okay? Under immigration law, however, if you agree to be the financial sponsor of an immigrant and they've taken out public benefits, welfare benefits, you will probably be contacted someday by the federal government if they bail on their obligations, okay? So remember, as a sponsor, you already agreed to be responsible for the immigrant, and your divorce, if you got divorced, does not relieve you of this obligation, okay? In some cases, it is possible to avoid or limit your responsibility, but you have to act fast when this happens, okay? By speaking with an immigration attorney. Because there's different things you can do, ways you can protect yourself so that you aren't stuck holding the bag and you are going to be ruined. Your financial future is going to be ruined because of an ex-spouse decided to hose you, to screw you over, okay? So everything depends on what has happened in your situation, what your relationship was, what your divorce was, what the debt was. All these things have an impact. And yes, it does come back on you if you don't protect yourself. So you need to contact somebody to ask how to protect yourself. So if you found this information helpful in this video, you need to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. If you need help with a case, if this has happened to you, if I'm talking to you right now, you need to reach out to me by clicking the following link so I can tell you what you need to do and how I can help you avoid catastrophe, okay? Give me a call. I want to help you succeed.